You've seen it in movies 100 times. A police officer tightens the handcuffs and says, "You have the right to remain silent." Most people think this means you're officially arrested. The case is serious. Everything after this is illegal if police make a mistake. But here's the truth. Most Americans don't actually understand Miranda rights, and misunderstanding them has sent innocent people to prison. Today, we are going to explain exactly what Miranda rights are, when they apply, when they don't, and how to use them correctly, according to real U.S. law. Miranda rights come from the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The Fifth Amendment protects you from being forced to incriminate yourself. In simple words, you cannot be legally forced to confess to a crime. Miranda rights are a warning police must give you before questioning you while you are in custody. The standard warning usually sounds like this: you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. The wording can vary, but the meaning must be clear. Miranda rights exist because of a real person, Ernesto Miranda. In 1963, Miranda was arrested in Arizona and questioned by police for hours. He was not told he could stay silent, not told he could ask for a lawyer. He confessed. The case reached the U.S. Supreme Court. In Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, the court ruled, confessions obtained during custodial interrogation are unconstitutional unless the suspect is informed of their rights. This decision changed American policing forever. This is where most people get confused. Police must read Miranda rights only when both conditions exist. 1. You are in custody. This means you are under arrest or you are not free to leave. It is about how a reasonable person would feel, not what police say. 2. You are being interrogated. Interrogation means police are asking questions. The questions are designed to get incriminating answers. If one condition is missing, Miranda does not apply. This part shocks many Americans. Police do not need to read Miranda rights during traffic stops, usually. Street questioning, Terry stops, brief detentions, voluntary conversations. Booking questions, name, address, DOB. This is why many people are arrested without ever hearing Miranda rights. And yes, that is legal. One of the biggest myths in America is, if police don't read Miranda rights, the case is thrown out. That is false. Here is the truth. Your arrest remains legal. The case continues. Only your statements may be excluded. Evidence like witnesses. Video physical evidence can still be used. Miranda only protects what you say. Police are trained to talk before Miranda is required. They may say, "Just help me understand." This isn't an interrogation. We just want your side. You're not in trouble right now. Anything you say voluntarily can be used against you. This is why silence matters early. This is critical. To use your rights, you must be clear and firm. Say, "I choose to remain silent. I want a lawyer." Then stop talking. Do not say, "Maybe I should get a lawyer." I think I want to stay silent. Should I talk to a lawyer? Ambiguous language can fail. Once you clearly request a lawyer, police must stop questioning. They cannot pressure you. They cannot resume interrogation without counsel. If police continue questioning, your statements may be suppressed. The interrogation becomes unconstitutional. This is one of your strongest protections. Many innocent people talk because they want to explain. They think honesty will help. They trust police. But police questioning is not about fairness. It's about evidence. Even small mistakes, memory gaps, or emotional responses can be misinterpreted, be written into reports. Be used in court. Silence protects the innocent. False confessions are real. They happen due to stress, fear, fatigue, police deception, desire to go home. Miranda rights exist to slow the process and protect free choice. But they only work if you use them. Children are more vulnerable. Some states require parent notification, lawyer presence, extra protections. Many states are now restricting police lies during juvenile interrogations. Why? Because kids are more likely to falsely confess. Miranda rights apply to recorded interrogations, body cam footage, phone questioning, video calls in custody. But voluntary statements, even recorded, are still admissible. Miranda rights do not prevent arrest, stop investigation, guarantee release, make you look guilty, apply outside custody plus interrogation. They are a shield for speech, not a shield from law enforcement. In modern America, people talk too much. Police record everything. Words last forever in court. Miranda rights are more important now than ever. They protect the innocent, the confused, the uneducated. The stressed Miranda rights are not just words. They are the line between power and protection, pressure and choice, freedom and regret. You don't need to memorize laws. You only need to remember this. Silence is a right. A lawyer is a right. Use them. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment below. What U.S. legal topic should we explain next? Because knowing your rights before you need them can change your life.